Hello everyone, this is Anirudh. Few days back, I have shared one of the video. This is the video.
Nu zeker door tot morgen en de 6e.
The concept of the video is like user will select any of the country and it seems that he is driving to the roads of that country and he can hear or listen the local radio station. So now I got this inspiration from another application. I'm not sure what is the platform or what is the technology used by this developer, but I found this URL is very intuitive. So I thought let's create the same thing in Power Apps. So first I thought it is a live recording or live camera somewhere else and he is streaming that video directly in particular technology or whatever technology it is. But later I realized that yeah, there is a video source. So when I click it, it actually taking me to a YouTube video. So it means that these are the recording videos. Plus you can see whatever the people, they don't have any mask. So obviously it is pre COVID situation. Someone recorded this thing. And so video is very much known now from YouTube. Uh, we can stream it directly in Power App. But for FM channel or any uh, audio streaming, how it will do. So few days back, I have created another video. If you saw it, in this video you can select any of the channel and channel will start playing. Correct. This thing I created in Power Apps also. So I know how FM channel work in Power App. So that is known part. Now how I can create that glass effect kind of things and everything. So that is the one of the challenge. Now what I have done is basically this is one of the video control. So there are many control. One of the control you can find it here, and that is called video. Okay. Before going to Power App, what I have done is I went in SharePoint site and create one list. And in this list, I have created 4 columns. One is place, the video URL, FM URL, and FM channel name. So you need to create this thing. I have mostly blank, but few I have provided the URLs to check whether it is working or not for a demo purpose. So what I have done basically, uh, I connect that particular list here, you can see, and then at the right side I have created one container. I never give the XY hard coded, everything is floated, you can see. So video 1.width minus 355, the width is 355, it is constant, but the X location is based on your screen size always. Okay, and for video you can see the height and width is based on the screen. So it is responsive kind of, you can say. Okay, in any of the device you can see the same experience. Okay. So this is the part of the video and the right side controller area. So this is a container, first container. You can create a container from here in the layout area, you can find it. So inside the container you can add other controls, like this is one of the list box. So list box is, you can find here, and in the list box, and this list box you are pointing to that particular list, and which column you wanted to appear at the screen, you can select here. For me it should be places, because places is the name of the particular city, country, whatever you mean. Now whenever I select one of the country, what I'm doing is, so you can see in the media, this box dot selected dot video URL, whatever the video URL is the column name. So whatever the URL, it is appearing here, and same for this audio controller. So here there is a media and there is the audio. So you can put this controller here and you can feel the URL also. Okay. Now how the glass effect came? That is the only takeaway from this app, I believe. For the container, you can see. So every control there is a property called field. In the field there is a last. So there are 4 parameters usually: R, G, B, and A. Red, green, blue, and this is alpha. These are 0 to 225. This also 255, 255. This is the range. 0 is everything 0 means black, and 255, 255, 255 means this is white. And if you put it 0, that means it is fully transparent. And if you put it 1, that means it is non-transparent. So the value between 0 to 1. So if you put 0.5, so it will be half-hearted, I mean transparent kind of, correct? So you can put it like this. Of course, you can change the color. You can put a 255 thing, so it will be a reddish background, okay, rather than black glossy effect. So all the controls have the same thing. I mean, there is a fill, and the fill I always change with something, sometimes 0.3, sometimes 0.5, based on the need, how it looks like. So that is the one of the thing. And of course, so on change, whenever there is a change in the list box, this is the one of the thing. I have reset both video controller and the audio controller, because if you not reset, it will not start playing on the change event of a particular like this one. So so that's all from that's it from today. Thanks for watching.